thought I'd give you a little view of a 1925 Cadillac V63 four-door sedan that actually belongs to the same company as the original founder, Georges de Latour, when he started his vineyard in Rutherford and winery operation in the 20s. It still belongs to Bullo BV Vineyards in Rutherford. So you could say this is a one-owner 1925 Cadillac. It's running on fast idle now to warm up. Divider window. The speaker up there is for the passenger in the back seat to talk to the driver. I'll idle it down just a little bit. It's warmed up. I don't want to go too much because it's still cold-blooded. Back in the days when a trunk was really a trunk. And the passengers rode in luxury. Yes, the window does roll down. So there it is, a one-owner, 100-year-old Cadillac. Thanks for watching.